I was spending 6 hours a day on my phone. Now I'm under 2. Here's the system that actually worked. Be honest. How much time did you spend on your phone yesterday? Check your screen time right now. I'll wait. For most guys, it's 4 to 6 hours. Some are over 8. That's a third of your waking life. Staring at a screen, scrolling, refreshing, consuming, and here's the worst part, you're not even enjoying it, you're just doing it. Instead of sitting with our own thoughts, we drown them out with constant content. Our devices have become the new mental resting point. I was the same. 6 hours a day on my phone, couldn't focus, constantly distracted, felt like garbage. Then I built a system, not some extreme delete everything and live in the woods approach, just practical changes that actually work. Cut my screen time to under 2 hours without feeling like I'm missing out. Here's how. First, understand why this is actually a problem. It's not just phone bad, book good, moral panic. The issue is what your phone is stealing from you: time. People are increasingly realizing that unconscious, endless consumption is the real enemy, not technology itself. 6 hours a day is 42 hours a week. That's a full time job. What could you build with that time? A skill, a business, an actual life? Focus. Every notification, every scroll session trains your brain to seek instant gratification. You're losing the ability to do deep work, to concentrate for more than 5 minutes, to finish anything meaningful. Presence. You're never fully anywhere, always half checking your phone, missing real conversations, real experiences. Your relationships are suffering, your memories are worse, you're physically there but mentally absent. Mental health, constant comparison, dopamine addiction, FOMO, it's destroying your baseline happiness. The more time you spend on your phone, the worse you feel. That's not an opinion. That's what the data shows. The phone isn't making your life better, it's making you weaker. So let's fix it. Here's my system. It's in 3 parts: infrastructure, habits, and replacement. Infrastructure. Make it harder to waste time. People are becoming more deliberate about how they use devices, limiting screen time, decluttering digital spaces, simplifying home screens. Then, step 1, delete the time wasters: Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, whatever you compulsively check, delete them. But I need them for. No, you don't. You can access them on a computer if you actually need them, but you won't because it's inconvenient. That's the point. The friction stops the compulsion. Step 2, turn off all notifications. Everything: texts, emails, apps, everything. You don't need a real time alerts. Nothing is that urgent. Check your messages when you decide to, not when the app decides. Here's how: it has settings, notifications. Turn off everything except calls, no badges, no banners, no sounds. You control when you check, not the phone. Step 3, grayscale mode. This is a game changer. Settings, accessibility, display, color filters. Grayscale makes your phone way less appealing. The bright colors are designed to be addictive. Remove them. Instagram becomes boring gray squares. TikTok loses its visual punch. Your phone becomes a tool, not a toy. Step 4, rearrange your home screen. Delete all apps from your home screen except phone, messages, calendar, maps, notes. Everything else goes in folders on page 2 or 3. If you want an app, you have to intentionally go find it. No mindless tapping. This alone cuts mindless scrolling by 50%. Your phone should look empty, boring, like a tool that sits there until you need it. Infrastructure stops the worst habits, but you need active practices too. Habit 1, no phone for the first hour. When you wake up, don't touch your phone for 60 minutes. This is the most important habit. Most guys grab their phone within 30 seconds of waking up. Then they're reactive all day. Instead, wake up, drink water, work out, shower, eat, then check your phone. You'll start your day with momentum instead of distraction. Your morning sets your entire day. Protect it. Habit 2, phone in another room while working. If you're doing focused work, studying, working on a project, whatever, put your phone in a different room, not face down on your desk, not in your pocket, in another room, out of sight, out of mind. The research is clear. Even having your phone visible reduces your cognitive capacity. Your brain is using energy to not check it. Remove the temptation completely. You'll be shocked how much more you get done. Habit 3. Set specific check in times. Don't check your phone constantly. Set 3 to 4 times per day: 10 a.m., 1 p.m., 4 p.m., 8 p.m. Check everything then. Respond to messages, catch up on whatever, then put it away. This batches your phone time instead of spreading it across the whole day. People adapt, they learn when you're available. The world doesn't end because you didn't respond in 30 seconds. Habit 4. No phone during meals or conversations. Phone stays in your pocket or bag, period. If you're eating with people, be present. If you're having a conversation, focus on it. Even eating alone, no phone, just eat. Let your mind wander. This alone will improve your relationships massively. People notice when you're actually listening. Bonus habit: create a phone jail. Get a physical box or drawer. After 8 p.m., phone goes in the box. No scrolling before bed. No checking it one last time. Your sleep will improve. Your mornings will improve. Everything gets better. Here's where most people fail. They reduce phone time, but don't replace it with anything. So they're just bored and uncomfortable. Then they go back to scrolling. You need to fill that time with something better. What to do instead? Read actual books, not articles, not Twitter threads. Books. Have a book with you at all times. When you'd normally scroll, read instead. Physical books work better than e readers. No notifications, no distractions. Move. Go for a walk without your phone. Just walk. Let your mind wander. Pull out your earbuds and start living your life with intention again. Your best ideas come during these walks, not while scrolling. Create work on a project. Build something, write, draw, code, make music, whatever. Use the time you'd waste scrolling to actually make something. Creation beats consumption every single time, and it's more satisfying. Think, just sit with your thoughts. This feels weird at first. Do it anyway. We've lost the ability to be bored, to let our minds wander, to process our lives. Boredom is where creativity comes from, where self reflection happens, where you figure things out, stop running from it, train extra gym session, learn a skill, practice something, use your reclaimed time to get better at something real. The goal is to make your default mode productive instead of consumptive. When you reach for your phone, catch yourself and ask, what could I do instead that would actually improve my life? Then do that. Here's what happened when I did this. Week 1. Uncomfortable, felt like I was missing out, checked screen time constantly to see if it was working, phantom vibrations, reaching for my phone out of habit. It's like quitting any addiction. It sucks at first. Week 2. Started noticing how addicted everyone else is. Conversations where people are half present, people walking into things while staring at screens. You see it everywhere once you break free. Week 3. Focus started coming back. Could read for an hour without checking my phone. Finished actual work in less time. Deep work became possible again. Week 4, baseline happiness improved. Less anxious, less comparison, less FOMO, more present, actually enjoying experiences instead of photographing them. Month 2. Don't even think about my phone most of the day. It's just a tool I use when I need it, not an extension of my hand, not a compulsion, just a tool. Now, under 2 hours screen time per day. Most of that is useful stuff: maps, messaging, checking information. My life is dramatically better. I'm more productive, more focused, more present, happier, better relationships, better work, better everything. And I'm not some off grid minimalist. I still have a phone. I just control it instead of letting it control me. Start today. Don't wait. Today, delete 3 time waster apps right now. Turn off all notifications, move apps off your home screen, enable grayscale mode. Tomorrow, No phone for first hour after waking. Put phone in another room while working. Track how many times you reach for it. This week, set specific check in times. Buy a physical book to read instead of scrolling. Establish phone jail routine. This month, track your screen time weekly. Replace phone time with creation. Notice how your life improves. You'll resist this. Your brain will tell you that you need to check your phone. You don't. That's the addiction talking. Push through. Build the system. Get your life back. The first week is the hardest. After that, it gets easier every day, and the benefits compound. More time, more focus, more presence, more happiness, all from taking control of one device. Subscribe if you want more on building a better life without the BS. I'm covering everything: looks maxing, style, productivity, real self improvement. Comment your current screen time. No judgment, just accountability. Mine was 6 hours when I started. Where are you at? Check back in a month and tell me where you're at then. Your phone is a tool. Start treating it like one. Take back control, take back your time, take back your life. See you in the next video.